All right, guys, here's the thing that we do in practice on a regular basis. As I'm walking through my office, as I'm getting ready, as I'm communicating with my team, with my wife that morning, I want to make sure that I'm always walking in love. You want to make sure that you're expressing that through every word that you're communicating in your practice, whether it's to your team or to your practice members. Sometimes throughout the day, I'll sit there and I'll say, man, I've just been kind of talking about nonsense. I've been just going from room to room mundanely. I'm not actually walking and just loving on people. I can tell even in the way that I'm touching them. When they're lying on the table and I rub their back as they're about to get up, and just how I'm expressing love through my hands, through my words, and through my energy. It uplifts everybody that comes through those four walls. And I got to tell you this. That place, that practice you provide for your community may be the only place that practice member receives an encouraging word, maybe a loving word, maybe a hug of encouragement. You need to make sure that you're that light in your community. That I'm telling you what, that's going to uplift people, it's going to uplift your team, it's going to uplift your practice members, it's going to uplift your impact in your community.